Alright guys, so अभी की जो वीडियो है so we will be talking about IELTS test exam and we will be covering question number 1 to question number 7 in IELTS academic listening part, which is normally about the note taking. First of all, I will play the recording. I will try to attempt all the questions by myself, and after that I will explain each and every question or the blank how I completed them, and there are some hacks which I will explain in the PowerPoints. Let's get started.
348831.
Oh, hello. I'm calling about your advertisement in the local paper.
Oh, well, there were two ads, actually. Was it the one for second-hand furniture?
That's right, yes. Last Thursday?
Oh, yes. Some of it's already gone, I'm afraid, but what exactly were you interested in?
Mainly the dining room furniture, especially the table. Has that gone yet?
Not yet.
Oh, good. Can you tell me a bit about it?
Well, it's round. I'm not sure of the exact measurements, but it's medium-sized. It seats about 6.
And how old is it?
Let's see. 10 years. No, it must be 12 by now.
And the advertisement said you were asking £25 for that?
That's right.
And do you still have the dining chairs?
Yes, it's a set of 4 chairs. There were 2 more, but over the years a couple have disappeared.
What are they like?
Quite nice. They've got upholstered seats. You know, they're covered in material to make them more comfortable to sit on. That's green, but you could change it, of course, if you wanted something different.
What sort of condition are they in?
I'd say reasonable. They've had a bit of wear, and we're asking £20 for those.
Right. And the other thing I wanted to ask about was the desk. Can you tell me roughly how long the top is so I know if it'll fit in my room?
Let's see, it's 75 centimeters high, I know, and the length's 1 meter 20, and it's 40 centimeters deep. It's got 3 drawers. The top one's got a lock so you can keep your valuables there.
And you were asking £50 for that?
Yes, it's a bit more because it's in good condition. But if you want to take the other things too, I could let you have it for 40.
Right, so this was the listening part and I have completed my questions. Now I will explain that what are the criteria, how did I complete them, right? Let me move on to the PowerPoint slides for you. Okay, so from here on I will explain like how I completed my IELTS listening question number 1 to question number 7. So these are the note completion guide. So we will start from the top thing, that the golden rule of evidence. What you need to do is always remember one thing, that write no more, you have to read on the top, no more than 2 words or and. You have the option, see what it comes, or either you can use a number, you can use one number, you can use one word, or you can use one number and one word, right? Combine, or you can use them separately. It will be explained by itself. So one word is like round, 2 word is the dining table. Dining, always remember the spelling, only one n is added here. Then we have to remember one word mean one number mean 15, 17, 21. And like we have discussed, we have read in the question part, one number in one word, so 12 and years. What caution you have to prepare is exceeding this limit will add no point to you, even the fact is true. So you have to be on spot, only to the point you have to answer it. So this was the case file 1. So the first 3, like question number 1, 4 and 7. If you see this, and we have seen the recording, shape of the dining table is asked. So it is actually an adjective, like how does it look like. Seat of the color, what could be the color, pink, green. So you have to focus on listening, like there is some color coming. And then top drawer feature, like how does it look like. So Here we have seen that the shape of the dining table was said round, only one word. The speaker said, well, it's round. No tricks, just one adjective, easy. So the fourth one was green. Seat color was green. That green color is almost always a single word, right? This is the fact you have to remember. Then don't overcomplicate it, right? Top drawer feature. So there is a locker on it. So it has got a lock on it. So you have to follow the word in according to the sentence structure. A noun describing a tool or part is mentioned. And then so we have question number 2 and 3 about the age of the table, how old is it, and then we were asked like the number of the chairs. Listen for no, actually, or it must be, right? This is gonna come. So the trap is be careful when two numbers are mentioned for the same item. So initially, if you remember, they said 10 years. No, it will be now 12 years. So it was a trap. Do not write 10 but 12 years completed, right? If years is mentioned, do not write. If it is not mentioned in the text, the one you have got are on the computer screen, so you have to write it. Then analyze the second number is the suspect, right? For example, 10 years, it must be 12 by now. So this was the script x-ray. You remember like why years 12 is to work? Because you need the unit years. You have to mention years, like in the transcript or in the question part you will see years is not mentioned, so you have to write down the year. And the number of the chairs, originally there were 6 but 2 have been taken out or 2 are not available at the time according to the script, so only you have to write 4. Rule of thumb you have to remember is the first number is often a trap. Wait for the correction. Do not write straight away like 10 years or the 6 years. No. Then follow the trap like the sentence is completed. One more sentence is following. What is it saying, right? Okay. So here case file number 3, precision in formats. Length of the desk. When they are asking length, there must be some unit, size, right? It can be meter, centimeter, so we will see over there. And then the condition of the chairs. So the summary word, how do they look like? Wear and tear in one word, like decent, old, new, reasonable. Here you see length of desk is 1.20 meters. So you have to always make sure the unit is mentioned. If it is not mentioned in the blank, you have to write down. Standard form is 1.20 meters. So this is the proper structure. And then if we follow the condition assessment, how does the chair look like? So they say reasonable, summary word, that's fine. This adjective like the quality of the table has of the chair has been explained. So it summarizes everything. You don't have to worry. So both of the things, check unit is covered, check form is covered. There is one pro hack or the tip for you. Always scan the question paper. If the unit, kilometer, meter, dollar or any currency isn't there, you must write it. Final checklist is read instructions properly, check word. If 2 words, you can write down 2 words at max. Predict, is it a number? 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it a noun? Table, chair. Is it an adjective like reasonable, nice, beautiful, right? The quality of it. And then listen for corrections. Actually, oh no, it signals the real answer is coming after the sentence. One sentence is completed, then the second sentence he's actually correcting it. So they want you to pay maximum attention on the listening part. Watch unit 1.20 is wrong. This was a trap, so 1.20 meter is right. Simplest form, do not write questions, capture the exact evidence. So guys, this was all about the IELTS listening academic question number 1 to question number 7, the first part of the note taking. If you have any questions or any trouble, or if you like this video, you can drop down your feedback. Thank you.